Sunday, November 3rd marks 2 years of an assassination attempt on Imran Khan at Wazirabad. The former prime minister sustained 4 bullet wounds to his leg on that day. Imran Khan was not able to file a police report for the assassination attempt as he was blocked at every turn by the undeclared martial law regime in Pakistan. Mr. Khan remains in arbitrary detention for 456 days where he stays confined for over 22 hours a day inside a death cell, deprived of every basic human right. But his spirit remains indomitable and his resolve unshaken. Imran Khan met with his lawyers on Saturday, who conveyed his message to the nation, encouraging party workers and supporters to keep their spirits and determination high. Mr. Khan expressed deep concern and worry about growing terrorism in the country and the failure of the regime's foreign policy. He reiterated that Qazi Faiz Isa was complicit in the election fraud, the undermining of judicial independence, and grave violations of human rights. He added that Isa himself is a beneficiary of amendments to NAB laws, along with Pakistan's corrupt elite who have accumulated wealth and properties abroad. Imran Khan stressed that he will not budge 1 inch from his stance on the rule of law, the independence of the judiciary, and democracy. It has now been 30 days since Imran Khan was last given access to a newspaper. He has been denied meetings with PTI's political committee members, including parliamentarians. Despite court orders, he has also been denied phone calls with his children. Battered and bruised, Imran Khan's lawyer was recovered in a staged police intervention late night on Saturday. Intezar Panjutta had been missing for weeks without any trace after he was taken by state agencies and disappeared. The Attorney General's assurance before the Islamabad High Court about recovering Imran Khan's lawyer in 24 hours was a tacit admission of illegal custody and abduction. The shocking visuals of Mr. Panjutta, a law-abiding citizen of Pakistan, are an illustration of the state of lawlessness in the country. A massive crowd gathered in Paris on Saturday for a peaceful protest demanding the release of Imran Khan and the restoration of democracy and fundamental rights in Pakistan. And this protest in London on Sunday came at a critical time when global voices are being raised for the release of Imran Khan. British Pakistanis as well as overseas Pakistanis from other European countries made their way to 10 Downing Street, where they were joined by PTI leadership currently abroad. The U.S. has deployed B-52 stealth bombers to the Middle East as tensions rise in the region. According to the Pentagon, this move aims to reinforce U.S. military presence and deter potential threats to its interests and allies.